Welcome back to Custom Clear Images Paint Studio. Custom van life, man! We're heading up the mountains. Equal flow is all charged up. We're at Abbotsford, 5 miles. Hope 86. Breaking free! Nice mountains. Got a whole trail, a bunch of people behind me, and we're all going camping. Talk to you in a bit. Just traveling by Abbotsford exit for downtown. There's Abbotsford. Talk to you in a bit. Now that's the view. That's the view I like. I don't really like the city too much. Talking a bit. Someone else breaking free. Getting out in the neighborhood. Be back. Absolutely beautiful drive. Look at the mountains. Told you, if you guys couldn't come to breaking free, then you can break free with me. Got a whole bunch of us behind just for the trail. All heading to Hope. Beautiful mountain views, everything. Talk to you in a bit. Just coming up to Chilliwack right now. Old Yale Road. just passing passing Chilliwack now. Coming up. Those snow-capped mountains look really nice. I know some of y'all going, don't send the van to the top. I know. I'm going to find we're going to a lake, a river right on the Coquihalla. And yeah, this is Chilliwack here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Here's Lickman Road. Now this is downtown Chilliwack. Nice. I still want to go further. The mountains, man. Trying to stay in this semis draft here. There we go. Yeah, so this is Chilliwack. Let's keep going. Thank God you guys don't have smell vision, because it smells like cow manure majorly out here. Farmland. But it's good. Yeah. Mountains are coming up close. Yeah. Sweet. Not going as far as Kamloops, I'll tell you that. Oh, yes. Fuck, feels good to be out. Beautiful views, man. Just passing Bridal Falls exit. The big waterfall. Gorgeous still. Gorgeous sunset. Oh, my soul feels good getting away. surrounded by mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. Coming up on Hope, BC in a little bit here. Next 4 exits, Hope. Yeah, Hope 11. Pulling into Hope now.
Take exit 170, then continue onto Trans-Canada Highway.
Back in Hope. Here we are. Gorgeous view. Feels good to be back home. Yeah, Hope, BC. Back in it.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Wallace Street.
We're just gonna take a stop here, take a little break, and stretch our legs, and then see if we'll keep going or just stop for a bit. Talk in a bit. Yeah, here's Hope. Okay guys, just made it into Hope, BC. And yeah, it's just getting about nighttime here. But everything's good. I'm gonna take a walk over there, look at the water. And yeah, let's go for a walk. Making sure the van's all locked up. She did good. Checking everything out. That was good. It was good. Check the side door too. I want to walk away and hey. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go for a walk. Able to get down there or what? Let's see, hold on. Absolutely beautiful. The air out here is so much cleaner. Yeah, I left everybody over there by the gas station. Get to know each other and everything. Personally, I'm gonna be just, you know, hanging out. Wow, I love the view. Water's moving pretty fast. Rapids. That's cool. It'd be cool to white water raft. So I came from way over there. Cool.